Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Veracity. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Veracity has formed another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and now recent you can see that after the rejection by the resistance of the channel, the price line is dropped down once again at the support of the channel. At the same time, it is also testing this very strong support zone that starts from $0.0059 and goes to $0.0055 and previously this support zone has been working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, support, and here for several days it has been working as a resistance zone, and now again it is working as a support. We had a long spike beyond the support of the channel, but the price and could not break it down, and now it is moving inside this channel and this support zone as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again these two breakouts, which are already happened on this 7 days time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern, and after that it broke out another falling wedge pattern. And right now, after this drop, the price line is also testing this very long-term support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. That was previously working at a very strong resistance. You can see we got stable rejections here, we got another rejection here, stable rejections here, and now recently we have broken out this resistance, and now it can work as a support. Right now you can see that we are almost testing the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and in today's video we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for nulls, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared the signal on 27th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first it dropped down, completed the leg, and then we had a nice pump. Now let me take you to the live chart of Verocity. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that Verocity has formed this down channel. And for the past several days, it is moving very well between the resistance and support of this down channel. And recently, we are once again rejected by the resistance of the channel and dropped down at this support of this channel. We had a long spike beyond the support of the channel, but it could not break it down. And now we are moving inside this channel between this very strong support zone that starts from $0.00559 and goes to $0.0059. And previously, this level had been working as a resistance on here for several days, and as a support here, and resistance here for several days. And now again, it is breaking as a support. And in case of another reversal from here, it can read the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.00678. And in case of breaking down the support of the channel, the target, by the way, to the downside, it can be here. For example, if the price line will break down the support, then it can drop down here at this long-term support of $0.0035. And in case of breaking out this channel, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.55 cents. But in my point of view, after breaking out this channel, there will be a very high probability that the price line may try to break out this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that this 1.7 cents had been previously breaking as a very strong support here for a few weeks. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Verocity. Right now, you can see that the price line is also testing this quite long-term support of Ichimoku bearish cloud that was previously working as a very strong resistance for several months or years. It had been working as a very strong resistance. You can see that since after the month of Feb 2022, in fact, it was working as a very strong resistance. And now recently we have broken it out, and now we are testing the support. Therefore, this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud will be very significant. We also have this very strong support zone here at the same level. Almost there, we have this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Therefore, here we have a lot of support levels, and we need to keep an eye on these supports. And in case of breaking it down, it can drop down at the next long-term support of $0.00559. Or in case of breaking down this channel, it can also drop down at this next long-term support of $0.0035 as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, you can see that we have already broken out this wedge here in the month of January 2023. And since then, you can see that from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 655%, but still a very, very big move due. That is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And sooner or later, the pricing can also hit that target as well. That target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.